What if I told you that with just 10,000 naira, you could start owning pieces of big companies, even international ones, and begin growing your money instead of letting it sit idle? So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do that using only your phone. So welcome to Money Mindset with Ima, where we teach you that money has a mindset. I am a certified financial advisor with over 7 years of experience helping people to build their financial freedom. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notification. You don't want to miss any of our money tips. So today, we are talking about how you can start investing in the stock market as a beginner with just 10,000 naira. So number one thing you need to know is you don't need 1 million naira to start. A lot of people think you must be rich to invest. Not anymore. Apps like Trove and Bamboo now let you buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a small part of a company with just little money. So even 10,000 naira is enough to start learning, testing, and also building. So number two is that before you begin, these are the things you need to get ready. You have to get your BVN ready, get your ID card, government approved ID card, and then your bank account. Then go and download this app, either Trove or Bamboo, and I will put the link in the description. If you download Trove lets you invest in Nigerian stock and also US stock, bonds, and ETFs. If you download Bamboo gives you access mainly to US stocks. Then decide how long you want to invest. At least 1 to 3 years is actually a good start. And make sure you clear debts, or if you have any high interest debt, you need to clear it and then create an emergency fund for yourself. So how to start with 10,000 naira? Step one, you have to fund your account. Deposit your 10,000 naira in the app after verifying your details. Then step two, you have to pick your goal. Ask yourself, why am I investing? Is it for retirement? Is it for my kids' education? Is it for future business? Then step three, choose what to buy on the app. You can buy local stock or even US stock, even just a fraction of them. So for example, you could invest like 6,000 naira in one stock and also 4,000 naira in another stock. Then step four, monitor and learn. Check your app regularly to track your growth, but don't panic if prices drop. Please don't panic, because market move up and down. Step five, add more money regularly. Plan to invest at least 2,000 naira, 5,000 naira every month. Just be adding to it monthly. That is how you build wealth, through compounding. That small consistent amount you add to it will help to build your wealth over time. So you can ask yourself, why does this matter? You see why investing matters. See, inflation is eating up your money in the bank while it sleeps, because it's not doing anything for you. But investing helps your money to grow and gives you ownership in real businesses. Thanks to apps like Trove and Bamboo, investing is no longer for the rich. It is now for everyone. With 10,000 naira, you can start and you can be adding small monies every month. So these are the tips I need you to know. Start small, but be consistent. Be consistent. Pick companies that you understand. If you don't understand what a company does, please do not pick it. Pick the ones that you understand. And also, don't put all your money in one stock. If you have only 10,000 naira, you have to divide it. Put 6,000 or 5,000 in one stock, put the other one in another stock. So don't ever put all your money in one stock, except you have the risk appetite. If you have the risk appetite, then there's no problem. You can put all your 10,000 in one stock. And the next thing you need to do is think long term. When it comes to stock, you should give yourself 3 years to 5 years at least. You know, at most you can do 10 years. So don't think it's this month, what have I gained? It's not a monthly thing. When it is stock, it is yearly thing. So you can give yourself 3 years, 5 years, and see how it grows. Then another thing you must do is learning. You must learn to get knowledge. You see, watching videos like this will help you to learn how to build your wealth. So do not stop learning. When you start investing in stock or any investment, don't stop learning. That is when you need to learn more. So now, if you are ready to take action, you need to download the Trove or the Bamboo app. The two links will be on the description. Open your account and deposit your 10,000 naira today. Make this the year you move from saving into investing. So if this video has helped you, like this video, share the video, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what stock will you pick first? And then remember, money has a mindset. So think smart, act wisely, and grow your wealth. Thank you.